Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for y'all, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, go down there, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below what else you guys want to see. I just copped a new camera, so hopefully you guys are liking the look. And yeah, I'm gonna be dropping more videos now since I have an actual camera. So we are back today with a limited shoe review. This shoe is pretty limited. You know, Foot Lockers don't get them. It was mainly released through boutiques and on the sneakers app. You guys should already know by the title. It is the Nike Sacai VaporWaffle. So if you guys don't know about the Nike Sacai collab, it's one of the better collabs to come out in 2019. So my favorite pair out of the collab to this day is still that light green and orange pair of the waffles. I think it's waffles, right? That's still my favorite pair. I'm thinking about picking up the pine green and pink pair in a size 9, but it's more of a summer shoe. We're transitioning into fall and winter now. Well, not even transitioning, it's already fall going into winter now in New York. So it's more of the grungy type weather, hoodie season, coats, you know, shoes that you don't really care about, like more bulky, sturdy shoes for the winter time, you feel me? The Sacai's are more of a summer sneaker. Besides the Blazers are, you know, you could wear those in the winter because they're Blazers. But overall, I really do like the Sacai look. But these VaporWaffles were fire, in my opinion, when I first saw pictures of them. I just like how they did the double check and double tongue. Like, the Sacai concept is just cool to me, you feel me? But this pair kind of reminds me of like a Balenciaga runner. And I wasn't able to secure a pair myself through the sneakers app or through any raffles such as KIF, DSM, Concepts, anything like that. So shout out to my boy Angel for assisting me this pair for the review. I'll be bringing you guys a unboxing, a review, and an on foot of the sneaker. So enough talk, let's just hop into the unboxing. So as you guys can see, the Sacai's come in a orange Nike box. It says it has the Nike check with Nike on top. That's like the Sacai look. It has the swoosh and then the Nike written on it. And then over here it reads VaporWaffle / Sacai, and this is the black and summit white colorway, just the black pair with the white accents on it. That covers the box. Now let's hop into the unboxing. So it comes with a slide open box, and yeah, let me just throw this paper to the side. That's the receipt. And yeah, so first things first, when you open it, you have the paper. It says Nike Sacai. If I take the whole thing out, you guys can already see that's the N, that's the S. And then, so underneath the paper, there's another brown piece of paper that comes with most sneakers. And boom, you have the shoes, man. You have the shoes here. These shoes, to me, like I said, these are personally so fire to me when I first saw them in pictures. This is my first time seeing them in hand. So taking a look at these look freaking humongous, bro. This is a size 10.5 and it's bigger than my head. Like, bruh, how? Here we have the Nike VaporWaffles, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna give you guys a deeper look at the details and everything with a B-roll. So let's just cut to that, and then we're gonna come back and break down the shoe. Alright, we're back from the B-roll, and the details on this shoe, to me, like I said, is fire. I don't know what else to describe it. You have the suede around the toe area. The colorway is simple. It is black, white, and a creamish color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is like pure white, and then this is like a cream color. Also, the check on the inside, the leather on the check is fire. Same thing with here. And then on the outside, you guys see it is a double check. The bottom check is painted, and then the check right here, or the swoosh, is leather. As you guys can see, it has a double tongue, also with double laces. The laces come with black and gray. And then it also has gray accents on the pull tab with Nike Sacai on the heel tab, and a Nike swoosh right there. So the main feature on this shoe is that it has 3 like midsole concepts. So it has one up here, one in the middle, and then another one out here, followed by the outsole on the outside. And like I was telling you earlier, this shoe kind of reminds me of a Balenciaga. Like, this is a size 10.5, and it looks so freaking bulky, man. Like, the upper of the shoe though is suede mixed with mesh. It is a see-through mesh. That's another fire concept on the sacai waffles, because then you can see the socks. Like, whatever socks you put on, it shows whatever color socks you have on, and that's a fire concept to me. Personally, I'll just throw on white socks, and just because the black, white, and gray complement each other perfectly. You don't really need to do too much with this pair. Another detail about the upper is that besides the mesh, it does have leather on the heel area. Also by the pull tab, it is leather. So the shoes also come with an extra pair of gray laces. This is more of the flat, fatter lace as opposed to the double lacing system that they have. I mess with the 2-color lacing system that they came with as opposed to just the fat one. Now, one thing about this shoe is the smell. It smells amazing. Like, I didn't even really smell it yet, and you could just smell it. I don't know if you know what I'm saying. It's like that super fresh new shoe smell, and it just smells like a shoe store. Angel said it smells like Finish Line. If you guys ever been in a Finish Line, you guys would know what it smells like a clean Finish Line, not one of those dirty Finish Lines. And it just smells good, man. It just smells like a brand new shoe. Like, this has that brand new shoe smell. Like, a lot of Jordans, they don't even smell that good. This one has that super brand new shoe smell. So that just covers the colorway and the material breakdown. Now let's hop into the sizing. So sizing for sacai waffles, I do know that the first original version, they go true to size, but if you want a tighter fit, I would suggest going down half a size. Same thing with these, I would suggest going true to size with them. My boy Angel is a size 10 and a 10.5, and he says 10.5 fits fine, but he would prefer a size 10 fit. So I would suggest going true to size or down half a size. As for the comfort of these are super comfortable, man. The only thing that would make it a little less uncomfortable is that it's so high off the ground. So if you wear these are definitely giving you guys like 1.5 more inches. So if you guys want to impress the ladies, tell them like, yo, you 5'9", right? You can tell them, yo, I'm 6 foot, and then throw these on, you feel me? Same thing with the ladies, man. If you guys want an extra inch or 2 on your height, just cop a pair of these. I do know that the original pair of Nike Sacai waffles are super duper comfortable. So these are following the same footsteps, you feel me? It just has 3 of the midsole instead of 1 of the midsole aspect. It's like a foam. I don't know if it's Lunaron. It's definitely not React, because it'll say React, but Nike Lunaron is one of the best technologies if you guys know about sneakers. Besides the comfort, it is a very fashionable sneaker. Like I said, I personally really like the shoe. So as for the fashion aspect, I'm gonna give you guys a little on foot, and then when we come back from the on foot, we're gonna cover the resale prediction of these shoes in the future for all you resellers that tune in, and then wrap it up with my final opinions, man. So I'll catch you guys on the on foot. Alright, that was just a quick on foot look. Now as for resell on the Sacai VaporWaffles, right now prices are around 400 to 500 range. There is another pair of the white ones with white and blue accents. That's the white colorway. That one is around more of like 400. This pair is going for upwards like towards 500. Smaller sizes are definitely doing better because I feel like girls are going to love these. They give them an extra inch. You feel me? But as for the resale of this shoe, I feel like the market for this shoe right now is just about right, selling around upwards of 400 and 500. This model is not as clean as the original pair, so the original pairs are already going for like 700-800 in some sizes and colorways. Some of them are selling around like 500-600, so that's why I'm saying this shoe will most likely flatline around like 500, even though it is the first one to come out. And I personally really do like it. I do seeing it staying at this range. So there's no point of really holding on to them. But if you do want to invest in them, just get small sizes. Now to wrap things up with my final opinion, you guys should already know by the whole video I've been talking about how much I like this shoe. And I actually really do like this shoe. It has the sacai aspect of the two-tone and the two-color laces that I really like. And the double check just like does it for me, man. I don't know, I just feel like sacai executes it right. There's a lot of other Nike silhouettes that has multiple checks and I feel like, yo, it's too tacky. Sacai does it in a way that is still clean and it's not too tacky, you feel me? Only thing about this shoe is that it is super bulky, but adding the 1.5 inch would be beneficial in my favor because out of my family I'm the shortest one. So I throw these on, I'll be like, now what? Now what, huh? Now what? No, I'm just kidding. But that wraps up this video. Hopefully I can get myself a pair in a size 9 of these. If not, then oh well, you know what I'm saying? It's just another miss out on another pair of sneakers. You know, usual, you feel me? But that wraps up this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Leave a comment about how you feel about the shoes. And did you guys secure a pair? And what do you guys think, man? Don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy ALin, and you guys make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. We out.